And welcome back to Side Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 15th to the 19th of December 2025 on Monday. Kumo causes trouble for Kia and the Sosha. Melo has a great idea for the missing children investigation. So as they continue her manipulation, Jack reaches out to family on Tuesday. Swazi continues to make things awkward for Lulama and Gamo. Jack tries to reconnect with Jiwogon, played by Peggy B. Kumo forces Kia to enjoy an awkward day with the Sochalon Timande and Azania, but it doesn't change Kia's behavior. Paul and Sam are willing to cross boundaries in the investigation on Wednesday. When Mowache visits with the info, Kumo is ready to damage Tao, as when he had the man he knows is sleeping with his sister. Mpo, determined to find the missing child, breaks the law like Pele would. Melo and Lulu hustle too much and hurt their career prospects on Thursday. Melowutle grows desperate after Mpo's action and resorts to unsavory action, while Mpo grows suspicious of wasting the Rielo gets the ball rolling on an assignment, and Kumo leaves Tao unnerved after a warning on Friday. He also drops a bombshell on Sonjalo Ntimande, who refuses to be held accountable. Melo surprises Mpo with an unexpected proposal. Mpo, Benny, and Isaac are the pressure on Weston. Lulu is sickened by Dow's demand for her article. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.